Are we ready to question gender roles? To question gender stereotypes? Are we ready to acknowledge the glaring gender inequalities and disparities in our country? Are we ready to deal with the harmful social practices? Are we ready to celebrate the breaking of gender barriers by men and women? The Ladli Media Awards is a call to action. The Ladli strategy is simple: influence the influencers. Encourage media initiatives for creating gender sensitivity. Award the best, motivate the rest. Our reach is wide, with 5,000 media persons contacted every year. 3,000 advertising, TV and film professionals encouraged to promote positive portrayals of women. 1,500 entries received every year. 100 plus awards given in 13 languages from the 4 regions.
When there was a lot of media hype after the Nirbhaya case, I thought it's going to be a short-term engagement of the media with the issue of gender violence. But amazingly, the dialogue continues, and the whole concern of the media about gender issues is getting better and much more deeper.
I have only one word to say, and that I am so proud to be here and to be part of this wonderful initiative. I've seen it grow from 2006 to the present, and the kind of nuances, the kind of scale, the kind of depth, the kind of beauty that it has brought forth in addressing issues of girls and women is just so humbling. I'm proud that UNFPA was a part of the journey at the beginning, and we will continue to be a part of this journey in the future as well.
What is the most remarkable thing about Shaukat Appa is that in a family of so many remarkable achievers, she has offered unconditional support and stayed determinedly in the background, and yet has shone. To be the backbone of someone like Kaifi Azmi Sahab, to be the inspiration and the nurturing influence of Shabana Azmi, of Baba and Tanvi, and being the matriarch of a family which now includes Javed Sahab and Farhan Akhtar and Zoya, all achievers of astronomical heights.
For an exemplary life and incredible artistic achievements, we present Lalita Lajmi with the Ladli Lifetime Achievement Award.
So it's extremely special because it's the most relevant award, I think, to what I've done. And I'd just like to say this, that sensitivity towards women is, I mean, we don't need to react only when big atrocities happen. I think it's gender sensitivity needs to be recognized in regular life, in daily spaces, in workplaces, in at home, and how we treat women and how we talk to them, because it's the small stuff that can actually damage a woman's self-worth, her feelings, her confidence, and above all, her identity as a woman. So I think we need to start with that.
We will not be able to create a girl-child movement till we are able to examine why we as a society prefer sons, why there is such endorsement, why parents sometimes will repeatedly keep producing a child that they sometimes cannot afford the upkeep of, in the hope that there will be a son. Is it because of the old reasons that the son is perceived to be the economic provider? If so, why does this bias continue to exist in families that are actually economically well off and protected.
Sex-selective abortion continues to be a very sad feature of our country, and our sex ratios are going down by the year. So I would like to use this forum to request all of you in your families, within your friend circles, within your social circles, to spread the word that girl children are not just essential to our society, but they are the pride of our society. Without a girl, there is no society.
Our impact is indeed deep. It's time to celebrate gender sensitivity in media once again. Welcome to the 7th edition of the Ladli Media Awards for Gender Sensitivity 2014-2015.